Hey guys, welcome to the Akyan Sketchup course. This is a beginner course and I'm going to take you guys right from the start. We're going to model a kitchen and then we get into a photorealistic render. So this course is divided into two parts, part one being modeling in SketchUp and part two being introduction to Vray and renders. We're also going to do a final render in a day environment and also in a night environment. I'm also going to do a 360-degree render where you can visualize the space in 360 either by uploading it on YouTube or by using a virtual reality camera. By the end of the course, you'll have a solid understanding of SketchUp and also get into making interior scenes. I hope you like the course. A small suggestion would be that you speed up the video so that you can absorb the material in a shorter span of time and watch it multiple times. I would suggest watching the videos in 1.5x speed or 2x speed. And I hope you like the course. Please do leave a review and rating for me in the course review page. And towards the end of the course, I'll be sharing a few resourceful materials and also a few other models which you could use in your SketchUp models and V-Ray renders. I wish you the very best and please do stay tuned because we have a lot of useful SketchUp courses coming our way. This is your host, Manish Paul Simon, signing off. Thanks, guys.